Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Thomas Aragon, and I'm an AI researcher and consultant. I'm here to talk to you about a very important topic, the future of AI and its impact on the economy and society. As you all know, AI is one of the most powerful and transformative technologies of our time. It has the potential to revolutionize every industry, from healthcare to education, from entertainment to transportation. It can also create new opportunities for innovation, creativity, and social good. However, AI also poses some serious challenges and risks that we need to be aware of and prepare for. One of these challenges is the economic impact of AI on jobs, businesses, and markets. According to my research, based on data from various sources, AI will cause a massive disruption in the economy in the next decade. As AI becomes more capable, efficient, and cheaper, it will replace many human workers in various tasks and roles, especially those that are routine, repetitive, or low skill. This will lead to a significant loss of jobs, income, and purchasing power for millions of people. At the same time, AI will create new demand for high skill, high value, and creative jobs, but these will require new skills, education, and training that many people may not have or afford. This will create a huge gap between the winners and losers of the AI revolution and a potential social and political instability. Furthermore, AI will also affect the structure and dynamics of markets and industries. As AI becomes more powerful and ubiquitous, it will enable new business models, products, and services that will challenge the existing ones. This will create new opportunities for innovation and competition, but also new threats and challenges for the incumbents. Some industries will be disrupted or transformed by AI, while others will be created or enhanced by it. Some businesses will be able to adapt and thrive in the new environment, while others will be unable to cope and fail. This will create a lot of uncertainty, volatility, and complexity in the economy, and a need for new regulations, standards, and policies. My conclusion is that we are approaching a critical moment in history, a tipping point where AI will change the world as we know it. I call this moment the AI clock, and I believe it will happen in the next decade, by 2033. The AI clock is not a doom and gloom scenario, but a wake-up call. It is a warning that we need to act now, before it's too late, to prepare for the coming changes and challenges. We need to invest in education, training, and reskilling for the new jobs and skills that AI will create. We need to create a social safety net and a universal basic income for the people who will lose their jobs and income due to AI. We need to regulate and monitor the development and deployment of AI to ensure its ethical, safe, and fair use. We need to foster a culture of innovation, collaboration, and diversity to harness the potential of AI for the common good. We need to do all this, and more, to ensure that AI is a force for good, not evil, in the world. Thank you.
What a load of nonsense. AI is the best thing that ever happened to humanity. It will create more jobs, wealth, and happiness than ever before.
You're just a Luddite, a fearmonger, a conspiracy theorist. You don't understand AI, you don't appreciate its benefits, you don't belong here.
You're wasting our time, our money, our attention. Get off the stage, go back to your basement, leave us alone.
The audience erupts in a chorus of insults, jeers, and mockery. Aragon is stunned, hurt, and angry. He tries to defend himself, but his voice is drowned out by the noise. He grabs his laptop and microphone and runs off the stage, humiliated and defeated. The scene ends with the sound of the clock ticking.